Okay, this is basically a video. You're dealing with something that's got a little bit of rotten wood in it, and your screws just don't seem to go in. Pick yourself a hot glue stick and a lighter. Okay? The key is you got to melt it in, let it drop down inside. Don't force it on the outside or you're just creating a cover. I'm going to fill the hole in with hot and molten hot glue. Okay? Let it drip in there, fill it up, nice and melted. Fill it all the way up. Go to your next one. Just saves you the hassle of having to make new components. Like I said, you just want to fill in the hole. Or you can get a hot glue gun, get it nice and warm, and force fill the holes. But this right here will save you having to make a new baseboard or re-drill new holes. It's just, that's a big hassle. Why mess with it? You know? Do it simple, and this will work. And you can drive your new screws in, and they'll hold. Trust me on that. Also, if this uses a piano hinge, and if you get a piano hinge, sometimes you can sit there and glue the actual hinge to your wood, and that helps. I'm going to be filming quite a bit of work I'm doing on this Hustler 6-wheel amphibian. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe. I also have ATV troubleshooting for CDI units, electrical, how to run them on hydrogen energy, and also a rust removal process that's very handy for these 6-wheel amphibians. So, there you go. Also, if you drive your screw in there while the hot glue is still a little bit warm, it really sits there and gets a good grip. It forces the glue into the cracks of the wood. When I get done with this 6-wheeler, I'll be selling it here, so if you're anywhere near the Reno area, get a hold of me. You can email me powerzap69, POWERZAP 69 @yahoo.com. Make an excellent Christmas gift for your kids or yourself. We all know we buy ourselves Christmas gifts. Not me, no, of course not. There you go. Look at that. Nice and solid. So, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do next on this thing. I think I'm going to do fasten all the bolts. I just redid the pull starter, but I got to pull it back off. That Rotax is coming off. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with a 4-stroke engine. It's 2-stroke. Doesn't even allow the deck lid to close, so tomorrow I'm going to get a 4-stroke, get it in there, probably go with the original like Kohler. Tires are actually in pretty decent shape. All original except for that one right there, and it's not like the Atex. The Atex, it's got the molded rims to tires. No bueno. Expensive adapters, everything else. These are all in really good shape. I'm going to air them to full capacity, but each one's holding good air, and I haven't added any air to them. So I'm going to go through the wiring, make sure the wiring's all correct. I'm also, as I go along, I'm going to sit there and create my own diagrams and everything. That way, whoever I sell to is going to get full documentation, and that way we're all on a good understanding. So.